Did you know that Tesla CEO Elon Musk, known for his controversial statements, made yet another bold claim? Although many tend to brush off Musk's comments as most of them are arguably outrageous, others still put their trust in the billionaire businessman. You definitely would not want to miss this info. I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk said in the latest Q3 2022 earnings call. However, many don't see how Tesla is relevant to these two companies. Well, Musk has always been vocal on his stance about how very much he would like to see a clean future, environmentally speaking. That said, Tesla's mission is to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport by bringing compelling mass-market electric cars, goes against that of Saudi Aramco. Saudi Aramco, officially the Saudi Arabian Oil Company or simply Aramco, is a Saudi Arabian public petroleum and natural gas company based in Dhahran. On the other hand, Apple is one of the world's tech giants, and while Tesla is a car company, it is not just a car company. Tesla is now venturing into artificial intelligence, robots, and batteries. That said, it is not entirely irrelevant for Musk to mention said companies. It does not seem like a random comparison either. In the aforementioned Q3 earnings call, Musk said, "Several years ago I said I think on our earnings call that I thought it was possible for Tesla to be worth more than Apple, which was then the highest cap company I think in the market." At the time, Apple was worth around $700 billion. Today, Tesla is worth almost $700 billion based on the company's market capitalization. According to Musk, Tesla has actually passed Apple's market cap at the time. The Tesla CEO now believes that the company can far exceed Apple's current market cap. In fact, I see a potential path with Tesla worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, Musk said. For reference, Apple's market cap is around $2.3 trillion, while Saudi Aramco is around $2 trillion. That means Tesla CEO Elon Musk sees Tesla to be worth around $4 trillion. Still, Musk was quick to explain that it will not be an easy process. That doesn't mean it will happen or that it will be easy. In fact, I think it will be very difficult. It will require a lot of work, some very creative new products, managed expansion, and always luck, he said. Later in the call, Musk said, "I should mention that when I said that probably now that I see a path, an extremely very difficult path, incredible execution required, a massive amount of hard work and some luck to get where Tesla with as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, I wasn't including Optimus." This implies that if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well, Musk expects Tesla to be worth more. Moreover, Musk vows to accelerate Tesla's solar and energy storage business. During the Q4 2021 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company will accelerate its solar and energy storage business in 2022, promising a pretty vast clean energy business. Tesla's energy storage deployments increased by 32% in 2021 over 2020, largely because of strong sales of the utility-scale Megapack product. Solar deployments increased 68% from 2020 to 2021 to reach 345 megawatts for the year. Musk said that Tesla's energy business growth had been limited by supply chain constraints. Still, Musk added that the plan is to expand production and deployment faster than vehicle production once the supply chain issues are resolved. Q3 2022 production and delivery numbers, although disappointing to some, proved that Tesla has successfully ramped up production. While there have been doubts that the demand for Tesla vehicles is diminishing, experts believe that it is not so. ARK Invest's Tasha Keeney joined CNBC's Squawk Box in mid-October and said, "As I read other articles and other analysts' opinions, I think there are demand fears out there. I think that they're unfounded," says Keeney. ARK Invest CFA looks at EVs as a percentage of overall auto sales. According to her, there was something like 7% of total vehicle sales last year. That said, ARK saw gas-powered car sales decline in the past couple of years and are seeing EV sales up on a year-over-year basis. "We saw Tesla's revenue alone grow 50% this quarter, so I would look at that. And for macroeconomic concerns, I would be much more concerned about the companies that have the majority of their revenues dedicated to gas-powered car sales, because that's what we think is going to decline in the future as EVs become more cost competitive," says Keeney. Keeney believes that this is thanks to Wright's law. Wright's law aims to provide a reliable framework for forecasting cost decline as a function of cumulative production. Specifically, it states that for every cumulative doubling of units produced, costs will fall by a constant percentage. That said, Wright's law forecast battery decline costs very well, which is why ARK thinks that it's coming down at roughly a 30% rate for every cumulative doubling and production that's going to bring sticker prices down and drive demand. In fact, Musk believes that although the Fed is raising interest rates more than they should, they'll eventually realize that and bring it back down again. I cannot emphasize we have excellent demand for Q4, and we expect to sell every car that we make for as far into the future as we can see, the Tesla CEO said. Added to that, Tesla is continuing working on its battery cell. The 4680 battery is a new lithium battery cell design by Tesla, which offers a tableless cell that can hold 5 times the energy capacity of a standard 18,650 battery and produce up to 6 times the power. According to Tesla, a 4680 battery versus an 18650 offers more than 16% more range, enabling the battery to supply more power and run for longer periods. The larger capacity of the 4680 battery will enable Tesla to install a smaller number of cells supplying the same power and range but at a much reduced cost when comparing the 4680 battery versus the 18650. Although Musk admitted difficulties getting his 4680 cells to meet his expectations in the previous quarter, the volume has now tripled quarter over quarter, and the focus is shifting toward optimizing cost. Our production of 4680 cells has tripled in Q3 compared to the previous quarter, Musk said. Basically, production of 4680 ramp is growing exponentially. Musk shared his confidence in the 4680 batteries. He said, "We still feel confident that 4680 will be the most competitive battery cell in the world." Musk said the company is putting the pedal to the metal to achieve as fast as possible 1,000 gigawatt-hours of in-house 4680 productions per year in the US alone. And this spans all main battery cell processing steps down to anode and cathode production and even lithium refining. In fact, in mid-September, it came to light that US-based automotive company Tesla is assessing the feasibility of building a battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility on the Gulf Coast of Texas to support its production of electric vehicle batteries. In a letter to the Texas Comptroller's office, the carmaker said it is looking to build the facility to process raw ore material into a usable state for battery production, reported Reuters. Lithium hydroxide, a key component used in EV batteries, is expected to be then shipped to various Tesla battery manufacturing factories through trucks and rail. In the application, Tesla said it is also considering other battery materials processing, refining, and manufacturing, and ancillary manufacturing operations in support of Tesla's sustainable product line, according to the publication. It can be noted that Musk earlier mentioned that the company could directly enter the mining and refining industry at scale as prices surge for lithium. Subject to approval, the company plans to start construction on the lithium plant in the fourth quarter of 2022, with commercial production scheduled by the end of 2024. Tesla's new facility will use innovative processes that will consume less hazardous reagents and create usable byproducts compared to the conventional process, according to Bloomberg News. Tesla could become the first in the auto sector to make a direct investment in lithium refining, as automakers look to secure the supply of lithium, prices of which have increased this year due to growing demand from the sector. Today, Tesla manufactures its batteries for its EVs and energy storage products at its Gigafactory Nevada, which it operates with partner Panasonic. The company also has plans to produce batteries at its new Gigafactory Texas, which is located just outside the Austin city limits. Overall, Tesla CEO Elon Musk envisions a lot of great things for Tesla, and they aren't just pipe dreams either. The entire Tesla team is doing all sorts of things, from research to development to production to perfect Tesla products. That said, it is becoming clearer that although Tesla's main product is electric vehicles, the EV company is now venturing toward different industries for a clean and brighter future. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more insane news about Tesla stock.